having a little bit of a problem getting to some of these cars that are going to be crushed due to the amount of trees that are around them. So I'm going to help out a little bit. They don't seem to get in no hurry, and this stuff's going to be covered up with dirt before long. So I'm going to speed the old process up a little bit by helping out myself, wanted or unwanted. I got to bring all that dirt over here and tie it in. Beds as my garbage bin. Do not stay on the frame very edge after they've been robbed of parts. Shit everywhere. have a old school Cat D6 I'm going to try to move. There's no telling how long this thing has been here. I mean, it doesn't, it's just a D6. It doesn't even have a model number on it. But it was probably driven here and parked, and it's sat here for the last 20 years probably. Trees moved and get it pushed up the hill. Not sure how that's going to go. It doesn't look like a D6, but it's what it says on the side. And I know them old bastards are heavy. Grab these trees out from around it right here. See if I can't pull it around and then somehow push it. I know I can't go forward too much with it because the rake, it's got a big old rake on it that'll just dig into the ground and stuff. I'm trying not to screw it up. It will probably never ever get any attention. So that 1 in a million chance it does, I'll try not to screw it up too bad in this process, because I imagine it's about to get kind of violent. Things weigh like 30,000 pounds, I think. Let's see what I can do here. Try to, I guess it's in neutral. I hope it, oh yeah, oh, this ain't nothing but a thing. Spun around. Let me take these trees out right up here and I'll push her ass right on up the hill. Levers do what? Let me go up there and wiggle them and see if that does anything. I did get it in neutral. Why did it stop? Oh, it must have fell back in gear. Oh well, I ain't got to push it much more farther.